Hello everyone, welcome back to the fresh video on CorelDRAW. I am super excited for today's video which is on CorelDRAW Web. Now what is CorelDRAW Web? How this is helpful to us? In this video we will cover CorelDRAW Web in detail. So let's not waste time and start the video. So to start with CorelDRAW Web, we need to visit CorelDRAW Web. Now the second link is for CorelDRAW Web, just click on it. So when you open it for the very first time, it will ask you to log in. You need to log in with your credentials. Most importantly, it is only for the annual subscription. If you are using a perpetual license of CorelDRAW, you won't be able to use CorelDRAW Web. This is only for the annual subscription. So I'm going to log in with my credentials. Once you log in, it will start loading CorelDRAW Web, and the UI is exactly the same as the offline version of CorelDRAW. So as you can see, I'm able to log in. Now the user interface is exactly similar as the offline version of CorelDRAW. From here you can click and create a new document. Now you can define the size of a document. Now once you open the new document, you will see the same user interface of CorelDRAW. From here you will find the toolbox. On the top there is main menu, and on the right side you have a color palette. So let me quickly create one rectangle, apply a fill to it. Similar manner I'll go to polygon. I'll make a polygon over here using control key. Now from here I can increase or decrease my sides. Shape tool, I'm going to modify my nodes. So all the options which you find in CorelDRAW, you will find the same options over here. So that means if you are working with CorelDRAW Web, you don't need to bound or sit on the same PC in which you have installed CorelDRAW on your local PC. From anywhere you can simply log in and you can start working with. Now for example, if you want to save this work, you can simply go to File and click on Save to Cloud. When you click on Save to Cloud, it will ask you for the file name, and you can also define in which file format you want to save this. So I have already saved this with green box. So let me just change the name of it. I'll give a name. Test green star. And from here I can define either I want to save in with CDR 2025 or CDR 224 or on the designer file. So after defining this, just click on save. The file will save on the cloud, and now once the file is saved on cloud, you can simply log in to any PC or from any system, and then you can open the same file. For that, what you need to do is you need to go to file menu and go to open from cloud. So when you click over here, it will show you all the files which you have saved on cloud, and you can simply select that file and click on open. While working on the browser, you need to understand that you should be connected with internet. Now once the file is open, I can simply select this. I can make any changes to it. I can change the color. So whatever changes I want, I can simply do it from here. Go back to file menu, click to save to cloud. So now once the file is saved on cloud, simple login from any device and you can start resuming your work. I hope you have learned something new over here. Thank you so much for watching.